Do you want to learn programming and you don't have a computer yet, so you don't know how to start? Let me show you the solution. Pick your smartphone, go to Play Store or App Store, whatever, and look for a programming language. Here I will write Python. So they will bring me some Python editor. So I will install PyDroid 3 IDE for Python. So you can see here important notice in case of TensorFlow. So let's see a little bit learn Python 3 with the most powerful Python 3 interpreter and IDE on Google Play. So you can see here below there are some Python sample. You see multiple graphical interface library support, PyQ T5 on KV and so on. There is a bunch of stuff here. Can you say that Matplotlib or plotting a 3D graph and so on. So you just have to install it. So I have already downloaded it. So I'll just click on open, and here we go. Here we are in the editor. So you just have to start coding. I would say print hello world. Hello world. As simple as it can be, just and run and hello world. Congratulations, you just come to write your first program. So congratulations, let's keep on